Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Sopa De Fideo with canned tomato sauce. First, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a medium pot over medium heat. Add 7 ounces of fideo noodles, stirring constantly until they turn a beautiful golden brown. This step is crucial for developing a rich flavor. Once browned, carefully drain any excess oil from the pot. This ensures your Sopa De Fideo isn't too greasy and maintains a perfect texture. Next, let's prepare our flavorful tomato sauce. In a blender, combine 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce with 2 cups of water. Add 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Blend these ingredients until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. This creates the delicious base for your Sopa De Fideo, ensuring every spoonful is packed with authentic taste. Now it's time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the blended tomato sauce directly over your browned fideo noodles in the pot. Stir gently to combine all ingredients thoroughly. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the fideo noodles are perfectly tender and have absorbed the delicious sauce. Your delicious Sopa De Fideo is now ready to enjoy. Serve it hot, perhaps garnished with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or a dollop of sour cream for extra richness. This comforting dish is perfect as a light main course or a wonderful side dish to your favorite Mexican meals. It's simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.